Molarity can be calculated from the formula N by V, volume in liters. N is number of moles of solute. V is volume of solution in liters. Number of moles can be calculated from the formula weight by gram molecular weight. So molarity is equal to weight by gram molecular weight into 1 by V in liters, or weight by gram molecular weight into 1000 by V in ml. Let us see how to find molarity when mixing of two similar solutions. There is a solution of M1 concentration and V1 volume. It is mixed with solution of M2 concentration and volume V2. How to calculate molarity of resultant solution? That is M is equal to M1 V1 plus M2 V2 by V1 plus V2. Let us see how to calculate molarity during dilution of a solution. There is a solution of M1 concentration and V1 volume. It is diluted, added water. We get a diluted solution. We have to find its molarity. How to find its molarity? That is M1 V1 is equal to M2 V2. This is the molarity of diluted solution. This is before dilution and these are after dilution. Now, during neutralization, how to find the molarity of acid or base required for neutralization? There is an acid of Ma concentration and Va volume. There is a base of Vb volume and Mb concentration. To find how much volume is required for neutralization of this acid, or to find how much molarity of acid required to neutralize this solution, we can use the formula NaVa by Na is equal to MbVb by Nb. Here Na is number of moles of acid, Nb is number of moles of base. Let us see mixing of an acid and a base. This is different from neutralization. Suppose there is an acid of Ma concentration and Va volume. There is a base of Mb concentration and Vb volume. We have mixed it. What is the nature of resultant solution? Whether the resultant solution is acid or base, and how to find its concentration. There are two possibilities. If MaVa is greater than MbVb, this solution will be acidic because MaVa is greater. How to find its molarity? MaVa minus MbVb by Va plus Vb. If second possibility, MbVb is greater and MaVa is smaller, then the solution will be basic. To find its molarity, MbVb minus MaVa by Va plus Vb, and the resultant solution will be basic. We see molality. Molality is N by W. Here N is number of moles of solute, W is weight of solvent. We know N is equal to weight by gram molecular weight, and molality is equal to weight by gram molecular weight into 1 by weight of solvent in kilograms. Or molality is equal to weight by gram molecular weight into 1000 by weight of solvent in grams. We discuss normality. N is equal to E by V in liters. E is number of gram equivalent weights of solute. V is volume of solution. How to find E? This can be found by weight by equivalent weight. This is weight of solute, equivalent weight of solute. How to find equivalent weight? You can find equivalent weight of acid from this formula. E is equal to gram molecular weight of acid by number of replaceable H plus ions. For example, HCl. 1 H plus can be replaced. So E is equal to gram molecular weight by 1. Suppose H2SO4. 2 H plus can be replaced. E is equal to 98 by 2. If it has 3PO4, 3 H plus can be replaced. E is equal to 98 by 3. Now we see how to find equivalent weight of base. E is equal to gram molecular weight of base by number of replaceable OH minus ions. If it is NaOH, we can find E from calculating gram molecular weight by 1 because of one replaceable OH. For calcium hydroxide, E is equal to gram molecular weight by 2. Aluminum hydroxide, E is equal to gram molecular weight by 3. Let us find equivalent weight of salt. E is equal to gram molecular weight by total charge on cation or total charge on anion. Let us see for NaCl, as this is Na plus and Cl minus, charge on cation will be 1 unit, charge on anion will also be 1 unit. So gram molecular weight by 1. For Na2CO3, Na plus CO3 2 minus. So E is equal to gram molecular weight by 2, because here 2 units of positive charge and 2 units of negative charge. Let us see how to find equivalent weight of oxidizing agent or reducing agent. E is equal to gram molecular weight by change in oxidation state. For example, in this reaction, E is equal to atomic weight of zinc by 2, because 2 electrons are transferred and the change in oxidation state is 2. For this reaction, E is equal to gram molecular weight by 3. Now we have to calculate normality when dilution takes place. Suppose there is solution of normality N, volume V. or N1B1. Water is added. We got diluted solution. We have to find its normality. Its normality N2 and volume V2. What is its normality? How can we find? N1V1 is equal to N2V2 after dilution, and this is before dilution. And for neutralization, how to find how much acid is required or how much base is required for neutralization? What is the concentration of required solution? Suppose there is a solution of Na and volume Ba. We have a solution of Nb. How much volume of this solution is required for neutralization of this acid? So that Vb can be defined by this formula. NaVa is equal to NbVb. Normality of acid, volume of acid, normality of base and volume of base. Now let us see mixing of two similar solutions. Two same solutions. That means this is if it is hydrochloric acid, another solution will also be hydrochloric acid of different concentrations and different volumes. These two are mixed together. What is the normality of resultant solution? And how can this can be calculated is N1V1 plus N2V2 by V1 plus V2. Now let us see mixing of two different solutions. There is a solution of NaVa, another solution of NbVb. It may be acid and another it may be a base. These two are mixed. Whether the resultant solution is acidic or basic, how to find? There are two possibilities. If NaVa is larger than NbVb, that solution will be acidic. Its normality will be NaVa minus NbVb by Va plus Vb. Suppose NaVa is less than NbVb, the solution will be basic and its normality will be NbVb minus NaVa by Va plus Vb. And there is another thing to be remember. If density of a solution is given and percent of purity is given, how to find molarity, how to find normality? That formula is molarity is equal to density into purity into 10 by gram molecular weight, and normality is equal to density into purity into 10 by equivalent weight. From this we can calculate normality. And what is the relation between normality and molarity? Normality is equal to molarity into molecular weight by equivalent weight. For example, 2mH2SO4 is there. We have to find normality. How to find? Normality is equal to molarity is 2 into molecular weight by equivalent weight. So it is 4 normal. Like this we can find the relation between molarity and normality.